So today we are reviewing my absolutely favorite wireless gaming mouse. Yes, wireless. You might think it's going to be slow, latency, all that crap. Well, this is definitely one of the best mice I've had. The Corsair Harpoon RGB wireless mouse. So this I actually got for 30 bucks on eBay. These are around 30-40 bucks, and listen to me, they are fantastic mice. So first off, of course, it's RGB, adjustable DPI, which is really nice to have right there. You got forward and backwards button, left and right click, nothing super special. It does have an internal battery, which I really like. Some people like the batteries to be removable. You don't really need it in something like this. And you have a LiPo battery, which is gonna get better battery life than just a normal, AA battery. It charges over USB. The only thing is, this USB port is really back, so you're gonna have to have the specialty cable if you buy one of these used and it doesn't come with a cable. Or do what I do and just mutilate a cable and shove it in there really well. Yeah, I did that. But it's a Frankenstein cable, that's besides the point. But the scroll wheel is pretty smooth. The left and right click is average. It's a good all-around mouse. And right here on the bottom, you have the switch. 2.4 gigahertz, so you have a little wireless adapter in this little tiny housing, and this is rebindable too, so if you do eventually break this mouse or something, save the dongle because you can use it with another Corsair mouse. Or vice versa, if you lose this dongle, you're not limited to just Bluetooth. You can just go and buy one of these dongles, plug it in your computer, and link it, which is fantastic. I mean, that's one of the best things I've seen Corsair do. And with this, you just put in the middle for off, top for 2.4 gigahertz, and all the way down to Bluetooth. So you can actually link this to two computers, one with a USB and one with Bluetooth, which I absolutely loved. So back when I was in college, the first 2 semesters, I actually brought this around with me, and this was my 100% only mouse that I used. So I had the Wi-Fi dongle in my desktop, and then I had the Bluetooth link to my laptop. And when I just went to school, I would just grab it, go, and I was all set. And I didn't have to worry about using 2 different mices and being that guy. So one thing I like about this is you can use this with multiple devices. It's easy to use. There's nothing complex about it, and the RGB is addressable. And it's just so nice of a mouse. It's light. It fits in your palm pretty well. I mean, I like bigger mouses. I just got a customized Razer mouse that I just custom made. You're gonna be seeing a video on that hopefully eventually. But yeah, this is my favorite mouse, and I mean, I'll drop a link down in the description if I can find one on Amazon. But if you're looking for a good wireless mouse that you're gonna love and enjoy, this is definitely gonna be the one. So as always, please leave a like and sub if you liked this video, or if you disliked it, drop it down in the comments why you didn't like the video. And as always, I hope you guys have a good one.